I built the same networking app twice. One delivered a working product in minutes, the other left me staring at error messages. Today, we're putting two popular app builders head to head, Base44 and Knack. We'll build the exact same networking app on both platforms and see which one delivers better results for business users who need apps that actually work. Base44 promises AI-powered app creation through simple chat commands, while Knack offers a drag-and-drop visual builder designed specifically for business users. Both claim to get you from idea to working app quickly, but they take completely different approaches. Base44 relies on AI interpretation of your requests, kind of like asking a genie for a wish and hoping it doesn't get too creative with the details. While Knack also uses AI, but gives you direct control over every other element of your app. Let's see how these platforms perform. We're going to create a networking app for first-time startup founders. Starting with Base44, we'll go to the prompt box and select the networking app option to generate our prompt. The app will help first-time startup founders connect based on different criteria, exactly what growing businesses need. Now we'll click to generate the app. We need just a few moments to log in to the Base44 platform. Hold on, and we're done. In the left panel, we can see that Base44 is planning the app and starting development. This is where Base44's AI-driven approach shows its first challenge. You're waiting and hoping the AI interprets your needs correctly, which feels a bit like explaining technology to customer support. Now we're talking app updates and how not to annoy your users. While Base44 works, let's switch over to Knack. We'll click Create New App and select the Generate with AI option. We're using the same prompt to create a networking app for first-time startup founders, then we'll click Create. Here's where the platform starts showing their differences. While Knack works on app creation, let's go back to Base44. It has been working for 2 minutes now, and it seems like it knows what it's doing. I'm very excited to see these results. And back to Knack. And look at this. Knack named the app Startup Connect. Smart naming that makes sense. From the upper right corner, let's select Go to Live App to preview the results of Knack's work. Look at what we see here. An interactive dashboard that's immediately functional. Below, we can see the place to add founders to the app. On the right, there's a really cool pie chart that shows all founders by industry. This is exactly the kind of professional interface that Knack's approach delivers. Let's scroll up and click through the rest of the tabs. Access roles, founders, and startups. Under the Startups tab, we'll click to create a new startup to see how Knack handled feature creation. In this dialog, we can select the industry and funding stage, then click Submit to add startups. Perfect. Everything works exactly as you'd expect from a business application. We can also edit startups, which is incredibly useful for keeping your data current. Let's go to View Startup Details to see how startups connect to other app entities. We can see its relation to industries, and down below, check out this feature to see the location of the startup. This one is somewhere in Brazil. Wow. We also have info on average funding per industry. These are the kinds of enterprise-ready features that make Knack apps truly scalable. Now let's go back to Base44 to view its results. We can try to preview the app and attempt to connect. Notice there's an error preventing us from logging in. This isn't necessarily a bad thing. It shows that Base44's AI generation can create incomplete functionality, which is totally normal. Before we move on, I have to correct something. I lied earlier. The real reason our app won't load wasn't gremlins in the code. It's just the AI's interpretation taking a creative detour. From the top of the page, let's switch to the dashboard. When we click Users, there are no sample users that we could use. Going to Data and then Connection, you'll notice there's a red error at the bottom. That's strange. Under Analytics, we can see what this could be used for, but it's not functional yet. In the API section, there's some code with a drop-down to change to an event or other options. Something only a developer would know what to do with. Also, there's an agent beta feature, which suggests this could be for AI assistants, but it's still in beta. It could be something interesting to use in your app though. This comparison reveals the core difference. Knack delivers production-ready apps with predictable functionality, while Base44 often requires technical troubleshooting and may hit platform limitations as your needs grow. Knack clearly wins this comparison for business users who need reliable, scalable apps. While Base44 showed promise with its AI approach, the unpredictable results technical errors, and developer-focused features make it better suited for prototyping rather than running your business. Kind of like that to-do app that started simple but now also wants to help you find a soulmate and trade Bitcoin, because who doesn't want that? Knack also used AI and delivered a fully functional app with professional features, intuitive navigation, and enterprise-ready capabilities that work right out of the box. Ready to build apps your business can actually run on? Try Knack free today and see why thousands of businesses choose predictable, powerful app building. Thanks for watching. If this video helped at all, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.